instead of exporting and importing your markups, you can do this workflow in the Bluebeam Studio solution, which is a cloud solution for working on, you can have multiple people working on the same PDFs at the same time. So if I open up the Bluebeam Studio here, there are two types of studio workflows. You have what's called a studio project, where you can open up, you can add your documents up to the Bluebeam cloud and work with them there. But then you have to, once you've opened a document, you check it out, and only you can work on the document, and then you check it back into the cloud. If you do this by a studio session, then you can create a new session. I'll call it just demo 1. And you can restrict attendees by email address, or you can leave it open, and so other people can just add your session ID and join. And you can also set an expire date for when the session is going to be closed. And in the next step here, it creates the session, and it also lets me add people to the session. From either, you can add people by email, as I said, or just send them the studio ID. And when you add your documents here and open them up, you will I can actually add a file here just to see. I'll add this one, add that to the cloud, and everyone who is participating in this studio session are now able to open the document and do review live. I would say it's if I were to now add something here, for instance, a Cloud Plus here with the text. Every other person would immediately see that information pop up. And you also get a record of what has been done by when, and you can also export this to a kind of log file to see what has been done when and what has been agreed on at any time. And those will also go into the markup lists. And when you have, let's say a review team of 10 people working in here, it will be really easy to add replies and statuses, and you have full control of what's going on. And the log here is added. You also have a chat function here for review. And here, it's live, so when you have the document open, everyone can work it at the same time with Bluebeam Studio sessions. And on the project, you have to check the document out, do the work, and check it back in. So one person at a time. But here you can also have any other types of documents, not just only PDFs.